What does it take to make the best shade sails on the planet? Follow along as we tour the Shazeebo factory and find out. It all starts with the details on the order form. Your Shazeebo dealer has gone through extensive training from design through installation and knows exactly how they want your shade sail fabricated. The measurements from the order form are put into our software so that the highly sophisticated CNC cutting machine knows what to cut. This is also the first quality control checkpoint, where the math is done by the software to make sure the dimensions work. Next, the cutting machine operator will roll out your choice of fabric onto the cutting table. Every roll of fabric has a slightly different width. We make any needed micro corrections so that the cutting wheel starts at exactly the right spot and then press the go button. Shazeebo stocks the best named shade cloth brands on the market today, from Gale Pacific, Allnet, and Polyfab. We also have our proprietary locking stainless steel hardware, which is made to our specifications and not available anywhere else. Our set and forget turnbuckles are the pinnacle of shade sail hardware. Once the fabric panels are cut, they are transferred to the joining table where our long-arm Juki machine joins them together using a puller and folder to create the perfect lock-stitch flat-felled seam. Some manufacturers use a chain stitch, which is easier and cheaper to use. But like a feed bag, if you cut one stitch and pull it, the whole thing comes apart. Shazeebo uses a lock stitch where each individual stitch is locked together to ensure that you never have to deal with a bad seam. Your sail is now starting to look like the real deal. At this stage, we add hardware, reinforce the corners, and sew the perimeter pocket. Our corner design is the key to our shade sail's long life and has been perfected over the last 22 years from when our founder taught himself how to make shade sails. Our current team evaluates every new technological advancement in the industry to see if it is up to our standards. When Tenara thread came out, we immediately saw the benefits of a true lifetime warranty and switched all of our sewing machines to the new thread. Color-matched seatbelt webbing was implemented about 10 years ago. This is the same webbing used for seatbelts in cars and increases the strength of our corners. If there was a better way to make a shade sail, we would do it. The next step is the last quality control check to make sure that what your contractor ordered is what goes in the box. We check the following: dimensions, fabric type, fabric color, hems up or down, curve smoothosity, corner hardware, attachment hardware, fabric flaws, holes, or any other defects, and lastly, stray threads are trimmed. If everything passes, we label each corner for ease of installation. Then we place the shade in a protective bag made of the same material as your sail and box it all up for shipment. For over 22 years, Shazeebo has perfected the art of shade sail manufacturing. You won't find a better made shade sail than a Shazeebo shade sail.